Hello, I am Venkat Kumar. Basically, I am an engineering graduate in the field of electronics and communication engineering. At the moment, I am enthusiastic in data science and then machine learning, deep learning, because uh, why I am interested this field so that data science is the core field of all things. Nowadays, is the enormous data haven. Data science is majorly working on the data and then how to predict and then many more things happen into the data to be working. This kind of things I totally like that data science. And then especially a little more example, at the moment anonymous car and then image processing and then so many field, uh, business analytics also, so many field working with the based on data science. Okay, so that I really like that. This is the my opinion for me. Then directly going on the one short project, simple projects, I will explain that. First of all, what is data science, what kind of process to be working that in the data science project, a little more knowing about this kind of things. First of all, what you will choose the programming language mainly. Okay, Python or R. I am choosing Python language. Then collecting the data, many more data sources are available, but the data sources are very uncleaned one. Okay, uncleaned one. And then EDA, exploratory data analysis, is major important for the data science projects, because the I haven't the data for many things. Example, I downloading for the some more data sets in the my requirement. But EDA is exported data analysis, it is used to cleaning the data. What kind of cleaning? Example, one client asked me this kind of requirement I want, so that I realizing for the my thought. uh, First of all, I understanding for the client requirement. Then what kind of data I have and the client giving me, so that I realizes that some more features are input, some more features are output. So example, or 10 set of features, the 10 set of feature to be cleaned, and then neglecting for the empty ones. There are many things happen, so that uh, I directly going to feature extraction. Okay, feature extraction means cleaning the data and then what are the requirement I want. That kind of thing I used for exploratory data analysis. I working for exploratory data analysis. This working in Python package pandas. This is the beautiful one, easy to understand and easy to working for me. Then visualization means it is a major one. Everyone did not know any, did not easily understanding for the visualizing the data. But visualization means is the graphical form easily conveyed to the another portion. This is the major thing to be going to the visualization process. This is used for many tool, Tableau and Power BI. And then data science Python package also Matplotlib, and then a Seaborn. Okay, this first, second, third process is the very important for the data science project. It is the 75 percentage of the projects almost completed, because these three processes correctly choose for the data science person, then easily convey to the model. Okay, this three part is very important one. Okay, then final part, fourth part is the machine learning model I will develop. This model easily I explain that. And my childhood days, my mom and dad explained, teach for me. This is the car, this is the bag, this is the dog, this is the cat, this is the tiger. Okay, I am the father and mom and some more person teach for me. Teachers are teach for me. Then I tested for this is the dog, this is the cat. Okay, this kind of things I say that machine learning model, okay, easily understanding for that. uh, Example for one robot here, anonymous car also here. I have a data, okay, clean the data. Previously three steps are I say that we have a clean the data. That is the data gives to teach the model. Okay, mm, I teach to the machine. Okay, this kind of thing. There's a robot I have. The robot it don't know anything. I teach it that the robot. This is the car. This is the bag. Okay, this kind of thing happened into the machine learning. Okay, so that machine learning means some more things: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. These are the I choose a project. I will explain that, and then the machine predict this is the bag is the correct accuracy, it's the correct accuracy, any kind of bag to be showing that the robot, this is the bag, this is the car, this is the major thing to be predict the output for the robot is the data science. Previously I said that working on the data is the data science. Okay, this is the six process is major one. First three process is very important, and then fourth process what are the model or choose, what are the learning models are chosen, what are the deep learning models are chosen. These are the very important one, but that's enough for basic understanding of machine learning. Then directly going on the project, I working on the simple project Bangalore house price prediction. This is my first project, so I explain that explain the project. Then I'm using the Anaconda my virtual machine virtual environment. The Anaconda virtual is easy to loading the library. This is the my convenient. Okay, so that I opening the my virtual machine, activate TFV, then activating the virtual, then my project file, 3D desktop model. This is the my model, that project, changing the directory. Then I using the Jupyter notebook because Jupyter notebook is very easily conveyable one, and then it is also interact for user, and then user, and directly outputs are given, one lines are then I did not know this is the correct or wrong, but easily conveyable one, so that I very excited to that use that. Okay, I already the data science first project is the data, it is the picker file, this is the data set vk csv file. This side data Bangalore data side taking from the Kaggle, taking from the Kaggle. Okay, this is the my Google ID. I finally saw that as my Kaggle ID. Okay, this is my first data science project. This is I already told that pandas is the exploratory analytic process. The pandas used to cleaning the data. Okay, previously I am doing for Excel sheet, and then cleaning the data is very tough one, but Python package is very useful for me. This is the pandas used to the data analysis process. NumPy is an n dimensional array. They can be used. Okay, and then matplot is the visualization process. Matplot inline is easily conveyable for output in same area, that can be used for matplot inline process. And then matplot rc prompts, and comma figure dot figure size 20 comma 10 is the height and width can be given to that, 13 comma 10 that can be changing for the size of the visualization. Okay, then directly going to the project. First of all, I am taking to the data set. First I am reading to the data set, and then I visualize that what kind of data I have. Okay, so that I am going to the data set. Df is a variable. I am taking the variable df. This is the pandas I aliases to pd. So say that, so pd dot read csv. I have a csv file. Many files are have an xml files, and then many files are have, so that I have a csv file in the Bangalore data house price data site. So that vk.csv, I read that file. I reading the file, and then I what kind of data I have, and so that I have an df dot head. Okay, and then I am running to the Jupyter notebook. This uh, this libraries are having to the Anaconda, my virtual environment. Okay, this is the major important one. Then I running to this process also. This is my output. They are a different kind of feature. What kind of features I have, an area type, which area I have, an availability, location, size, society, total square feet, bath and balcony price. This kind of 9 features I have. An okay, I don't now for the what how many rows I have, and how many columns I have. And I easily understanding for the how many column, how many features I have, and it's a 9 feature. But I don't now for the how many rows I have. And so that this command is very useful for that. Df.save. Okay, this is the rows and the columns have 13,320 in rows and a 9 column. Okay, this is a useful one. Okay, shape, which kind of shape I have. Then df group is very useful one for me, one for pandas library. Okay, where what kind of usage they have, an area type, what are the area to be having for the data set. This kind of things is very very important. Okay, area types have an area type count, build up area, how many that, plat area how many that, super built up area how many that. Okay, these are how many I don't now for the visualizing this that, so that I easily understanding and easily focusing for the feature. So that I put on the command group area. So I have an output build up area to 22,418, carpet area 87. Okay, and then directly focusing on features. Okay, it's my project is a house price prediction of Bangalore. Okay, not what kind of data I've taken. Okay, what kind of data I will neglected, what are the target I choose for the data set. Okay, target is easily understanding for me, that is the house price protection up, and at the moment what is the target I fix, that is the price. Okay, the price are I choosing the target. Remaining part is remaining 8 features. What are the features are taken to predict the price. Okay, so that the drop command is that features are dropping. Okay, the features are dropping. What are the features are taken, what are the features are dropped. Okay, and the area type, drop area type, society, balcony. Okay, and then availability. This four thing is useless. Okay, so that I drop without this four thing. Access means the four things are dropped for the column basis, not for row basis. Okay, so that I drop them, and then view that the head, what kind of data I features are taken, location, size and total square feet, bathroom, and then price. Okay, this kind of data I have. Okay, okay, I taking the input data, I taking the target data. Okay, I the five feature, the four features based to do the target to be fixed. Okay, this is the my concern to be used in the, executing the my project. Okay, that is the enough thing. Then I'm going to know which are the data or errors to be my data set. Error means blanking the data. Some data are do not correct basis. Okay, that kind of things I reduced that. Okay, uh, at that kind of thing I neglected that because this kind of data error uncleaned data are very very important because unclaimed data are directly impact on accuracy. Okay, so that I I neglected that, or I mean that. Okay, so I visualize that what are the null values, empty values are occurred into the every rows. Okay, so that df, this is the this data, this is the df1 is null because some means what are the happen. Okay, some what are the is the integer process we occur, some are all to be used. Okay, one minute. All to be used, that can be false, true, all kind of false. Okay, it's also is this as a boolean function are always, but sum is a predominant one because this is easily understanding for what kind of null values are occurred. Okay, then the dropping the black data. Okay, blank data because empty data are insufficient one, so that I drop it. Drop means delete, and drop now means delete the equals. Okay, this is the predominant one, and then I drop that, and next I use that what are the null data are occur, so that 0 0 0 everything is null data. I cleaning for the data set. This at the moment every data are very cleaned one. Okay, then what are the data are neglected for my data set. Okay, I visualize that is the same rows are 13,000 2046 246 and then 5 rows. I choosing the input one. Okay, third, previously I first haven't the data for okay, maximum I neglected for the 100 datas. Okay, I neglected for the 100 datas. Next, this is the important one. My I previously I view that my data set everything is clear is the very important one. Okay, previously user is the insufficient one, my thing. Okay, size are 2 bhk 2 bedroom. This is the different kind of things happen, locations are different kind of things happen. Okay, total square feet are different is happen, but correct price and the price are different is k are also happen. Okay, so that I totally embarrassed for this thing. Okay, location, this location, what are the size of bhk, what are the size of 4 bedroom, this kind of things I know. Then total square feet, what are I think now, this kind of things I know. What are this kind of all things are I know that, so that I focused on feature extraction this particular time. Okay, uh, the size unique things, the size, the different things are happen. Unique means what are the different are happen to the size feature. Okay, 2 bhk 4 bedroom, that kind of different things happen. Maximum 43 bedrooms are happen. Okay, at the moment this can be changed for me. Okay, I easily I visualize that the data set easily knowing for this one. Okay, so that I writing this code, new features are added. Okay, but df2 bhk, df2 is a size, apply for the lambda function, x is splitting 0. Okay, what kind of splitting? Okay, size splitting, BHK is separate, bedroom what how many bedroom is separate. Okay, that can be very important. Bathroom, how many bathroom is separate. Okay, the output is easily understanding for me. Size 2 bhk are already have an. Okay, uh, at the moment I newly for bath is separating bhk is how many bhk separating, bedroom is separating. Okay, at the moment I easily understand. Next one, this is this code. Next one, what are the unique value for bhk? Easily understand for at home in the house bhk 2 4 3 6 1. That's easily understanding 2 bhk house, 4 bhk house, but this is the collapse size is the size is all same data is the my collapse one. Okay, then I visualize in that easily now for what are the greater than 20 bhk haven't for the my data set. I easily know the df2.bhk greater than 20. I easily know that. Okay, then the size is nothing. Next I am going to the total square feet. Okay, everyone having the total square feet. I visualized that separate one 2000, and then either this is the in between one, that is the very poor one. Okay, so that's a float points are occurred. That's a poor one. So that I clearly visualized that the total square feet. Okay, I writing that the function float, any float functions are occurred, they can be true, accepted false, and then return true. They can be executed for that at the visualizing part. Okay, I applying that, then viewing that the total square feet. Okay, everyone is set to the this square feet. I changing that this kind of things I changed for the my data set. Okay, I clearly changed that my data set. This is the accuracy problems are occur. This is the uncleaned data. Okay, so that I converting for the data. Okay, whole form. Whole form means 633. If example 652 665, I using the formula for the median based formula. Okay, the current medians are occurred, identified, then put on the data. Okay, this is very important process. So that I take into the function convert square to num. Okay, token splitting the data, all the data are splitted, and then length is token equal to 2. This is the 1 0 1 2 2. So I taking for the first data float, second plus second data, and divided by 2. Okay, then divided by 2, uh, try is the float data that can be output is taken, expected one data example is the 6 for 15 only, that can be written taking the data. Okay, then function is executed applying for this data set. The function is executed, I have an putting the checking for my function 632 into 666. I visualize that the median data is and this going to the formula 633 plus 666, and then adding from the data and then dividing from the data, happen to the average is 649.5. Okay, this is happen. Okay, so that I copying for the data. Okay, I copy df2 is the copying for the this variable df3, and the total square feet I have newly created for the total square feet, and then applying for the function. Okay, at the moment I visualize that easily understanding for me. Okay, total square feet is everyone is easily understanding for me. Okay, correct accurate values or precise values are happen. Okay, next I viewed that what are the problems are occurred. I viewed that, so that I localized the 13th rows I was viewed. Okay, so I viewed the location is correct, size is 4 bhk, total size this price bathroom 4, price is 186. At the moment I thought the price is 186. What 186? Only 186 rupees this 4 bhk or house or have. This is the wrong one. So that I am going to per square feet conversion for the price. Okay, price per square feet. So that I taking the new variable df4, copying to the previous data. Okay, creating the or new feature price per square feet, formulas are open, df price 186 into is the lakhs format, lakhs divided by total square feet. This is the formula for the happen the 1 square feet formula. Then I saw that at the moment per square feet 3699. Okay, I easily understand at the moment. Okay, then I taken the unique value, location, unique things. Okay, 1304 is the unique things, so that I taken to cleaning for the everything, but at the moment I cleaning for the location, easily understanding for every portion, and then easily correct accuracy I want to take, so that I cleaning the data. So I applying df4 apply lambda function strip. Okay, previously I have split, because splitting the data that can be taken. Strip means I can be taking the data correct precious. Okay, so that I stripped and then group by location. What are the counts? I previously say that, and that sort ascending order, descending order is the false one. It's not taken. True or ABCD for alphabetic format to be taken the output. Okay, what are the yes, 535 3, this kind of things are happen. Then length less than 10, location less than 10. Okay, this is the one length, this is the one, this is the one. Okay, how many locations in this area? One, this area one. Okay, less than 10 is 1052, so that I visualize that what kind of things happen, that is the happen this area. Then length unique area is therefore location unique 1290. Okay, this is the now everyone is noun thing. Then df4 dot location, df4 dot location apply lambda x other if x is a location less than. Okay, this is the easy thing. What kind of things used before the data set, other kind of things. Okay, other location others are less than 10. Okay, I say that this is the others. Okay, these things are happen 242. Okay, 242 location data are others. Okay, it's a unique one. Then I added, I visualizing that the data easily visualizable. Okay, then I everyone is knowing for the data. And okay, I pricing that the data df4 total square feet divided by df4 dot phk less than 100. Okay, what kind of thing I show that total square feet divided by df4 data. Okay, b dot bhk means 8 bhk. Okay, total square feet, how many segregating for the data length. Okay, that kind of things I showing that. Okay, less than 100. Okay, this is the very important one, less than 100. Okay, I say that that kind of happened today. I visualizing that this is the other. I previously there is a function, this is the other one, 10 1 is the other. I show that. Okay, and then I can visualizing the save any more data are available, any one things happens, so that I visualizing that. Then I'm going to new variables are one df2, and then aggregate yes or no, this kind of things. Okay, it's the predictable one, so that square feet bhk less than 100 sir happened. How many data are happened to the this kind of things, so that I visualize that is the two maximum 200 data are neglected for that. Then I'm going to describe. Okay, this is the final things of cleaning data process. Okay, I cleaned the every data. It's the current precious, what kind of input features are I taken, what kind of output I taken, this kind of things are correctly segregated for me. Okay, it's the house prediction process. Then I visualize my target value is price per square feet subscriber, so that I view that its minimum price is 264, maximum price is this kind of lakhs kind of things. And these are the one the probability density functions are occur to the statistical process is easily understanding one. Then this is the enough thing to cleaning the data. The pandas is enough for analytic purpose, exported data analytic purpose. Next, this is okay, this is cleaning the data. Then visualizing, everyone is understanding. And then I easily understanding for this data is the visualization one. Okay, some more outliers, outliers or error what has occur in the data, so that I I saw the I saw easily understanding for the data. So I creating the outlier function. Outlier means out of data. Example, that this is the outliers. Okay, this is the correct data. This is the outlier. So that I creating the data. Created this kind of function. This is the scatter plot. Okay, so scatter plots of the Rajnagar which place are occur. This is the outlier. That these are the outlier. Okay, this point are the outlier. Okay, next I'm going to map now. This is the Instagram plot. Okay, this is the Instagram plot. Okay, finally I two kind of things are complete. Okay, I previously first I say that two things. What kind of things I say that first one is that cleaning the data. Second to one is that visualizing the data. The two things is enough. Okay, if at the moment third thing is very important for the future extraction. What are the features or I select? Okay, what easily understanding to for machine for the features, that kind of things is very important, so that feature extraction part is coming through here. So that feature extraction part I using the dummies. Okay, get dummies is the entropy function. Okay, reducing the loss. Okay, this is the future transaction process one entropy. Okay, one entropy function I can use that function, so that get dummy part is applied, so that every location which is location have an, okay, every location first black Jayanagar, how many places I have an, okay, which are layout, everyone I have, so that okay, this easily understanding one. Okay, these are the concurrent things for every data dummy values. Drop down the other axis. Okay, drop that. Okay, I drop down every data. Then okay, every functions at the three processes completed over. Okay, first process is collecting the data, second process is cleaning the data, third process is visualizing the data, and then the future extraction processes occur. Okay, then I'm going to the model. Okay, I'm teaching to the robot, that kind of thing. Okay, so that I understand inputs are four features, outputs are price. Okay, I know that, so that output is price, input is five features. Okay, I taken that, so I given the variable y is the output one, target one. Okay, so that I given x is the input. So okay, the model is created, thus the models input models are have an skylearn. Okay, skylearn is the input model. Model selection. First of all, they can be splitting the data. Okay, so that the function train test its data. Example that every student quarterly, half-yearly, first semester, that can be occurred. Okay, that kind of teachers testing for the student, that is the training process. Okay, finally student taking for the exam, this is the testing process. Okay, so that what kind of data to be tested, to be segregated, what kind of data to be tested for the segregated. Okay, okay, so that I am taken for the testing data x and y. Okay, input data, test size is 20% of data to be testing for the my segregation. Each data is taken to the 10 random process, taken to the process is 10 rows. Okay, that is the happen to the this codes. Then Skyline is at the moment I'm going to the model. Okay, I'm choosing the linear regression model for this process. Okay, I previously said that machine learnings are many more things are happen. Every one robot having the supervised learning and giving the data. This is the robot. This is the okay. This is the supervised learning, and then unsupervised is I giving the output. These are already this can be visualized, and then this is the back. Okay, this is the unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning, they can be learn own things. Okay, so that my project is the Bangalore house price production, so that I'm keeping the data for already, and then training kind of things to be predicted. So that I chosen for the regression problem, not for the classification problem. I chosen for the regression problem, so that I choosing for the linear models. Okay, a linear model import linear regression. Okay, that can be linear regression model is initiated. Then it's a fit means I training the data and then score what kind of performance I taking for this data set. Okay, what kind of scores I have. Okay, that's a good one. It's a 0.78. It's the 78 percentage my models are accurately have. Okay, this is the my good happens or happen. Okay, then these are okay. Then final process is the hyperparameter. Hyperparameter means some more errors are occur. The hyperparameter process is the comparing the crash validation, what kind of errors are occurred, what kind of outliers are occurs, that can be neglected, and then improving the error accuracy. So that I do in the crash validation process. Okay, then I visualizing the data, the 0.8680. Okay, overall average part is 82 percentage accuracy I have. This is the very important one. Okay, this is the enough thing for data science into project. Okay, then I am going to eh, more this project is I previously said supervised learning process, so that I only not used for linear regression process. So many models are having, so that I what kind of models are applied, what kind of accuracy I have, so that I going to apply the function. Okay, is the function happen, is the grid light, is the regression function, is the tree functions that happen. Regression function is the any more errors occur, that can be loose. So okay, it's the linear regression function. It's the grid search, we can be used. Okay, what kind of accuracy happen, so that I visualize that the function I visualize that linear regression is nothing 83% accuracy, Luzos regression is 72, this is the 78 only. Okay, so that I choose the correct model linear regression in the current project. Okay, this is my first project. Okay, house price prediction. I complete for this my data science project. First of all, I cleaning the data. Okay, taking the data, cleaning the data, visualizing the data, then developing the model, and I improving the accuracy, I giving the deep learning models also, classification model. Then I showing the prediction output, and then hyperparameter process is occurred. This kind of process is complete, this is the Terra of the process, and then this kind of things how to deploy. Okay, how to deploy, some more websites are cleared, or this program is given to the robot source code, or anything that happen. Okay, this is the data science project. Okay, this project I already happened for the my Kaggle competition also. Okay, this is the my Kaggle website. Okay, I show that Kaggle, so my Kaggle competition website. This is the Venkat Kumar, and then I already uploading for my Kaggle competitions also. Okay, so that everything is clear. Okay, what are the taken in input, what are the outputs are taken, what are the minimum and maximum functions are occurred. Okay, at the moment it is deep learning project I also done the Kaggle competition I using the PyTorch. Okay, tablet. Okay, okay, thanks for this giving opportunity for Tech Valley LLC. Okay, I sharing the my knowledge in this little more project. Uh, Thanks. Okay, thanks for giving this opportunity once of all. I say that. Okay, thank you.